Selin sayang, Selin sayang, my dear wife Selin Tamshikwan, I miss you sayang, I miss you all, I want you all sayang, I need you all, I'm longing to you all. I want to sleep now. Okay, sayang. Okay, good night, alright? I love you. I miss you. Oh, my dear wife, Selin Tamshikwan. I love you so much, sayang. I miss you.